Testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ow. Okay, I am back after a month of no videos, and that is a loud police siren. The perks of living in the hood. Okay, so for those of you who do not know who I am AJ the Alchemist. I do vlogs, comedy skits, and talk about all things bearded. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, you might consider subscribing for more delicious content. Today's video is actually going to be a continuation of what we spoke about the last video, which is beard oil breakdown, and specifically awesome carrier oils to have in your beard oil. So let's get started. Before we start though, I want you guys to just turn your smell-o-vision on. There's a button there in the corner. Click it and then you'll be able to smell things through your screen. Now, just smell this quickly. Can you smell it? Ah, oh, yes. It smells good now. I know. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored. I'm a regular customer at Yogi's, so he just decided to hook me up with a bottle of oil. Thank you, Yogi's, for sending me the oil. Anyway, back to the video. Okay, number one is going to be argan oil. Argan oil contains omega-6, 9, and vitamin E. Now, argan oil can actually help prevent skin acne. Why did I say skin acne? Like you can get acne on your nails. Argan oil can actually prevent acne and inflammation, and it can also prevent beard dandruff. But besides that, it can also tame a frizzy beard. Now, I have a frizzy beard. When I stand up in the morning, it's like everywhere. Argan oil is one of those things that actually helps me get through my day, because I always like to have oils with argan oil in them. Another bonus is that argan oil can actually be used as a heat I can't say this word. Argan oil can actually be used as a heat protectant. So for all of you guys using hair dryers or heat brushes or whatever to style your beards, cool, you do you, but put on some argan oil or beard oil that at least has argan oil in it, so that you don't damage that precious beard hair. Number two is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil contains omega-9 and vitamin A, B, D, and E. Jojoba oil is awesome because yes, it moisturizes your skin and your hair, but I bet you guys didn't know that jojoba oil actually helps your skin produce sebum. Now, sebum is the oil that is secreted by your skin under your beard that actually moisturizes the hair. So it's like you're getting a double moisturizer. Why would you not want this in your beard oil? Numero tres is going to be rice bran oil. Rice bran oil has a similar nutrient content to argan oil containing omega-6, 9, and vitamin E, but rice bran oil actually helps your skin and your hair feel more soft and supple. But it's awesome because it actually stimulates hair growth. Stimulating hair growth means a longer, healthier beard, and also a softer and more manageable beard. Number four is going to be virgin coconut oil. It contains vitamin A, B, E, and K. Now, yes, it moisturizes your skin and hair, but I like it because it protects my beard. How, you may ask? Well, it protects your beard from UV rays because it's coconut oil. It creates a lipid layer, so your beard's protected, doesn't get damaged in the sun. Also, it helps seal in the moisture, so it prevents moisture loss. Now, before we go on to number five, I'm going to ask you guys if you found any value in this content, or you found it entertaining or informative. Please hit that like button and subscribe, and I will make sure to give you more delicious content. Number five is going to be avocado oil. It contains omega-6 and 9 and vitamin A, B1, B2, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Now, avocado. What's an avocado? Now, avocado oil is a deep moisturizer for your skin and your hair, but it also has antibacterial and anti-aging properties. So for you guys who want to have a baby face, maybe you want to try this one out so that your 50 looks like 30, or if you are 18 you look like 9. For some reason you want that in your life, don't be weird. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this beard oil breakdown series so far. Now, if you guys want me to continue, please let me know in the comments, or if there's anything else you guys want me to cover. If you have any questions burning in your heart, please type it. Don't just scream it internally until your brain explodes. Stay tuned, because you know there's going to be bloopers, because I stumble over my words a lot and it gets weird. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been a month. You thought I was gone. You thought I was gone. But I'm back. Back from the ashes. Like a phoenix rising from, I don't know where this is going. This is... nope. Let's wind it back a bit. Today we need to take off from where we left off. No man, come on, get yourself together. What's wrong with you? Wow, that's loud. Contains vitamin 6, 9. Why do vitamins have numbers now? Argan oil, why am I sucking at this? Back with another video. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I am. Why did my lip just go over my gums? I don't know, but I'm still talking like this. Okay, too far. Bye. Come on, man. That was a fail. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you haven't missed me, but if you did, why am I sucking at the video today? And I'm back to post a little bit. Nope. What? No, I'm lying. Oh, are you still watching? No, I'm scaring you away.